Welcome guys, it's the Panda of Fatness. I do not know why my back or what the hell that screen thing is. Yeah, I want to go there, I think. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go to spawn this time, I think, because there's nothing over there. Absolutely, wait. Yeah, I see something, I'm going there. Let's go. 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, when I come into this, I'm actually going to call myself the Panda of the Fatness. No, 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 no. Oh, she got a diamond. No, she didn't. Good. Because that's what I went to that chest before, and I got a diamond from it. So she's unlucky, because I also got a sword. Yeah, it looks like she hasn't got a sword because she's not chasing me right now. And she allowed me to give her a beating. Yeah. Because I'm a nice person that way. Oh, God. I thought I was going to drown for a second. Oh, my God. What the hell? Am I drunk? No, cool. Ah. That's me. It's annoying. What the hell? Sorry. I'm sorry. That's just the only way to get it out of a glitch that I know of. What? I'm glitching a whole many things. Well, the necklace is too popular. It's just too stupid. I'm really hating Camtasia's how they handle games like this, but it's alright. It's alright. Oh, I won't full dudder. Okay. Okay, we'll just leave him alone. What's his dudder? Yeah, guys, so welcome back to the second episode of the marathon. I forgot. If I said that at the beginning, I have a very, very short memory sometimes. And I think yeah, there's one here. Yes! Oh, baby. But we don't have anything else. Okay, I need to... Please give me something. Give me. Guys, there will be an update video as soon as I finish the marathon and use something about some very important things that I will be doing, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love them. 2 of which I've already told you, but another one. No! 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 Yes! Suicide. Take it higher. Higher we go. We'll stop. We'll never know. Oh, you guys are. No, I'm kidding. Bayesian Mason. Guys, I'm pretty sure it's been a bit of like 10 seconds. A bit longer than the others before because I got like spawn killed on the first episode. But yeah. This is the second. So we don't know what's gonna happen. No. See you guys. Bye.